Welcome to Wealth Unlocked, where we ditch broke mindsets and build financial freedom, one smart move at a time. If money has ever felt confusing, stressful, or just out of reach, this is your sign to reset everything in the next 24 hours. You don't need a six-figure income to feel wealthy. You just need the right mindset. And today, I'm giving you a step-by-step mental reset that'll help you stop sabotaging your money goals and finally move forward. What's holding you back? Let's be honest, most of us learned about money by messing it up. Nobody taught us the rules. Nobody gave us the mindset. We grew up hearing, money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy. Just be grateful you have enough. Enough became the ceiling, not the foundation. But if you're going to change your life, you've got to change what you believe. Spot the broken beliefs. Here's the first step. Write down every money belief you've absorbed. I'm bad with money. I'll always be broke. I just need to work harder. Now ask, where did these beliefs come from? Are they true? Or are they just familiar? Awareness is power. And you can't change what you don't notice. Rewire your mindset. Next step? Reframe the script. Take each negative belief and flip it. Instead of, I'm bad with money, try, I'm learning to manage money better every day. Instead of, I'll never be rich, try, wealth is a skill. And I'm building it. These might feel silly at first, but your brain believes what it hears the most. Especially when it comes from you. Repeat them. Write them. Say them out loud. That's how you reprogram. Take one empowering action. Now here's the key. Take one small money move today. Start tracking your spending. Open that savings account. Cancel a useless subscription. Transfer $10 into your emergency fund. That tiny action proves you're in control now. And when action matches mindset, that's when the shift sticks. Mindset maintenance. Changing your money mindset isn't a one-time event. It's a daily practice. Keep feeding your brain with better inputs. Read wealth books. Watch breakdowns like this one. Surround yourself with people who think bigger. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be aware and consistent. Want to keep growing your wealth brain? Grab my free Mindset Reset journal down below. And hit subscribe for more no-fluff finance videos every week. Because here at Wealth Unlocked, we're not just making money. We're making moves. One smart choice at a time. You got this.